What's up, everybody? We're out here on the river today in the rain. Got the baby and the girl with me and a cool hat, and I'm gonna see if we can catch some carp and some suckerfish. Why? Because we're bored. It's right down the street from the house, so stay tuned. All right, so we're out right next to these docks here in the channel. It's a nice little deep hole right there, and usually have some pretty decent luck here, so just gonna kind of wait it out. Got our umbrellas, so we're staying dry. Crack open a juice box and yeah, see if we can fight some fish. I got the net ready. Let's go. Got a little recast, see what happens. Usually here, you get a bite right away in the fall or right when it hits the bottom. And so if you look, we're just running, what was this, 2 ounces? Yeah, 2 ounce ball weight there at the end and a high-low rig. Just with a swivel hooked up and a little snelled leader with a hook at the end. I don't even know what size they are, they're just whatever I grab first. There's a little one and a little bit bigger one. And then we just crammed them full of some worms. And this tide's coming in, so it's spinning around. Let's get back out there. Either got a bite or something ran into it on accident. Both are very likely. I'm ready to rip a lip, can you tell? False alarm, guys. This video is sponsored by juice boxes. We're gonna try something now and see what happens. Because we're not getting the greasy stuff we're looking for. Oh, there's nothing on it. Alright, so what we got going is we're gonna use, I don't know why they don't just call it black liquor. It smells like a Jaeger. We're gonna use the Jaeger scent, and we're gonna put it. Oh my gosh, this stuff is thick. Thick and greasy. The way I like it. Alright, let's do this. Should we do one for now?
Do one.
Do one. We're gonna do one for now and see if it makes a difference. Alright. Is that the top one?
Yeah.
Alright, comment down below. Which one do you think is gonna bite first? Smell that Jaeger from here. Might get an alcoholic fish. There's a bunch of party boats here. I'm just saying, I'm sure there's been some Jaeger bombs overboard. Oh, we're getting snipped. I called it a snip because it was like a little baby bite. I could bit it sideways like a pair of scissors. You know why one side of the V is longer than the other when they fly, right? Because there's more geese on that side. Ooh, I think I popped my back right. Go ahead and cancel that chiropractor appointment.
Just needed to go fishing.
I'm ripping the lips. Raining for a little bit.
Yeah, that's nice. Get any bites?
Oh, that's about it. Either that or they're running into it on accident.
Oh.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we got it. We got it. Over there at least. We haven't gotten anything, but we got it. Dude. That's traumatizing. You probably get shot at a lot. Fish out. Oh! Fish out. What is it? Good question. It's not good. We got one. it is a giant yellow perch. Alright. Well, looks like our cat's eating good tonight. I said we weren't going to catch anything to eat, but clean this before I leave and fry it up for a fresh little kitten dinner. It's a nice little whelp, solid 8-9 inch yellow perch.
Very colorful.
Alright, so looks like our Jaeger scent is working. I'm gonna have to put a little more on. Maybe we'll sauce it up on both worms. Sauce in on them. Alright. I think we figured something out a little bit here. How to catch cat food. Jaeger scent on. Let's do this. Alright, what do you think? Should I go over there, over there? Where was I at? On the right?
Yep.
Like more middle. Hopefully that Jaeger scent don't drip in my juice box. Oh, there went half my worm. That's alright. We're going to leave it. Because there's still some on there. What's that song? Stop saying, I'm a worms. Thank God that's how it goes.
Word for word.
When I started fishing, I was young.
Fish is almost to the water.
Well, I could not tell you what just happened, but at least I got it all back. I would say that's embarrassing, but I blame something else. Something else. God, I smell like the bottom of a spilt-in ice bucket at a cheap bar. Or a frickin' college party at UCSD after somebody puked on the center of the carpet. Or my dog's frickin' shit after he frickin' cleaned up all the puke that somebody puked in the middle of the carpet.
Gross.
So if you're enjoying this video, make sure you hit that like and subscribe. Helps me out a lot. Appreciate it. That might be what we're looking for. Alright, let's ooh, I might not have it on. If I do, it's real small. Yeah, I think I did not stay on. But they are nailing that top hook. So let's get rebaited and catch another one. I think there's one perch on there. I got 2 hooks, so why were you? Oh. I think I'm gonna yank the fish off on the last one. Problem is there's so many schools of perch out here, they're tiny, and look at the bait I'm using. Using big old clutches of worms, so they're just peeling the, I don't know if you can see this, they're just peeling the worms off. So, just gonna put a little tighter on there. Make sure there's no little pieces dangling. Put the leaves off. There we go. Cold doesn't bother me anyway. What is this? Gotta put a little sail on that thing and send it back on its way. Got a 90-degree twig floating on past. Wow, if that's not like a rodent ship if I've ever seen one. So real they didn't put a sail on it. Gotta go. I fucking hate snow. This dude's going after all my carp, bro. My perch. Oh. Fuck, no. Still biting?
No. Oh, yeah.
Oh, that was a big bite too. Well, I think we might have Jackie on the fish here. She's been on baby duty this whole time and camera duty, so told her she gets the next bite. Ooh, she's reeling something in. She's reeling the worms in. Oh. And it's a catfish. All right.
It's a big one.
Yeah, it's a medium one. All right, let's not get stabbed in the hand today. Oh man, got her way down in there. I have to grab the pliers for this one. But yeah, oh yeah, grab my finger. Got a bullhead catfish. All right, so got this little bullhead in the because we don't need you. Oh, let go. All right. Well, so far, at least the two fish we caught are edible, and we were going for suckerfish and carp. So, change of plans. We might call this video change of plans. I don't know. We got sick of getting snagged. It's definitely raining harder now. We're around the corner of the dock. Got the ugly stick reel on the who knows what rod. Couldn't even tell you. Just a little crap rod. But,
Oh, it got me stuck again.
Alright, so we're going to call it. Got a couple fish, couple species, but goes to show. You never know what to expect when you throw in the river. So make sure you like and subscribe, and we're going to call it for the night. Till the next one.